Hi everyone, Ricardo Nava here. I wanted to share with you guys a very unique loan program that we have. It's called the Asset Depletion Loan. And in theory, it's pretty simple. We basically use your assets to help you qualify for a higher purchase price. Now, this is really nice because for a standard conventional loan with Fannie or Freddie Mac, you wouldn't be able to necessarily use the assets that you have to be able to convert it into income. But with this special program that we have, you are able to do that. Now, qualifying assets could include things like money that you have invested into your 401k or retirement accounts or pensions, money that you have in cash value life insurance policies, annuities, money that you have in real estate that you own, basically assets where you're able to pull the money out if you needed to. That's what we would use. And basically we take the total amount of all the assets that you have, we plug it into a formula, and that gives us a monthly calculation of how much we can use for your income. Now let me give you an example. I had a client that he was retired, and really on paper, the only money he had coming in monthly was his Social Security check, which was about $1,500 a month. Okay, now he had a house that he owned, multiple properties actually, but his main one that he lived in was a house that was worth about 1.5 million. He didn't want to sell it though. He had a lot of equity in it, but he wanted to keep it and wanted to buy another house. Now on paper, he wouldn't qualify for your standard conventional loan through Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, because on paper, he was only making about $1,500 a month, even though throughout his years of working and business and all that, he had poured a lot of money into his investment accounts. So between his 401ks, he had retirement accounts, he did have a cash value life insurance policy, and his multiple properties that he owned that had equity in them, he had a total of about $3 million worth of assets that he could tap into whenever he wanted to. So we were able to take that $3 million, plug it into our formula, and at the end, we ended up being able to use about $12,000 a month as qualifying income versus only being able to use $1,500 from Social Security with a standard Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac conventional loan. So he was able to qualify, to buy another $2 million house without having to sell the one that he's in right now. So he was extremely happy. It's such a unique product, and I really want to share it with you guys because it works in multiple scenarios too. For example, if you're someone who does have a regular income, and let's say your regular income helps you qualify for maybe $600,000 in purchase price. Well, let's say you have a lot of assets, you have a lot of money tied up in other investment accounts and things like that, right? Well, we can take that and we can combine it with your normal salary or hourly income, whatever it is that you make, to help you qualify for more. So now with those assets, maybe you can qualify for $1 million house versus just that $600,000 house with a standard conventional loan. So now the more informed you are when it comes to choosing the best loan product and being able to really get that home that you really want. So if you have more questions, feel free to reach out. I would love to talk more with you and expand on it about that and all the other unique programs that we have. We do have a lot of programs that other lenders don't have. So thank you so much for listening, guys. I appreciate you. Have an amazing day and God bless. Bye.